I was their age, I had no idea, first of all, what I wanted to do in college, so I had no interest in seeking a camp like this out. Exposing them to these activities that they wouldn't otherwise have exposure to in school allows them to see, like, possibly maybe I do want to do engineering. This seems really cool and fun.
If you have any interest in the STEM field or you're not sure what you want to do, you should come to G.R.A.D.E camp. You get to play with robots, you get to learn so much stuff, you get to meet our awesome mentors, you get to learn about the college. I love all the people here. There's so much support at the University of Houston, and you'll have a fun week.
The very first day they come to camp, we do a lot of basic problem-solving activities just to test their problem-solving skills and to show them that engineers use that very often.
Every afternoon we take them to the robot lab and we let them build and program Lego Mindstorm robots. They get a little coding experience, which I know a lot of people don't get in high school. I didn't get coding experience till I came to college and took a coding class.
I get really happy when they accomplish a task that they've been working on for the past few hours and they haven't gotten it yet, and they get really excited and proud of themselves. And it's just, I really enjoy it. It's really fun.
We do a motors and generators lab, so they get to learn about electricity and magnetism. They get to play with magnets. They get to make their own motor. It kind of like shows them like a little bit of stuff they might not learn in school.
So every week we have industry ladies come during lunch. They sit with the girls and eat with them. And then we have them stand up and just share their experience about engineering, what it's like being a woman in their field.
I think it shows the campers, like, I can be a woman in engineering. Listen to all these cool things they do, like, I can do it. Even though there's a lot of men that do it, women can do it too. I love seeing them so like excited about STEM, and I'm so happy that they like have the opportunity to do this, because I never did a camp like this when I was younger, and it makes me so excited to see them like doing this and interested. It's just awesome.